markets. As you can see, there has been a lot of things happening over the weekend. So I just woke up. That was last week. I was expecting the market to retrace into this demand zone and then rejected outward. As you can see, we had a gap here and then a massive drop to the downside, which means this invalidates my setup. Then I had to remove all these things. So this is my swing low. That actually means we have a market structure shift, right? So as we have this market structure shift, what am I anticipating? I'm looking for this supply zone. Let me use this screenshot. I'll be looking for this supply zone. I'm willing to trade off this zone. So if I head over to the 1 hour time frame to refine my supply zone, as you can see. So yeah, I'll also be looking to trade off this zone. So if I head over back on my 2 hour time frame, what am I anticipating? As you can see, this market had to take out liquidity before getting an impulsive move to the downside. So to me, this is a valid zone that I can wait for the market to retrace and tap into the storm. If this zone won't work, then I'll be anticipating this area because this whole zone will act as a liquidity for this zone. So here, using the entry confirmation, I'll be okay to take a trade here. So yeah, that's all on NZDCHF. So on GBP as you can see, last week I was also anticipating that the market needs to retrace on this demand zone. It did. I'm like, it just woke up and then found this gap. The market tapped into this zone. I didn't like it the way it did. I mean, as you can see, we have here wicks sticking out. I don't like the market to do things like this. So to me, this is invalid. I'm going to take it off. So what am I anticipating? As you can see from here, I don't have any valid zone from here where I can trade off from. See? So in the meantime, I don't have anything on GBP right? So yeah, now I'm on AUD CAD. So as you can see, like on AUD CAD, last week, this whole thing was an impulsive move. An impulsive move right up to here. So the market had to create a small minor structure. As you can see, I had to make the 2 hour time frame. And then there was the market structure shift. And then here there was another small market structure shift. And then what happened was that the market started to retrace back into the zone. So into this demand zone. So as of now, it's like I was still anticipating for buys since this small structure shift will still act as a liquidity. So as of now, we have also shifted the market from downtrend to uptrend. So as of now, I'm more willing to be looking for buys. So this is my recent demand zone that I'll be looking to go for a trade. Right. So this is the zone that I marked last week. So yeah, what am I anticipating on AUD CAD is for the market to retrace into this zone. And then after retracing into this zone, I head over to the 5 minutes time frame to look for my entry confirmations. Yeah, that's all on AUD CAD. Now on Euro USD, as you can see, I've already told you guys that these gaps have almost like cut out on all of my payers, right? But last week, this zone, there was a time we did this zone. I was expecting for my entry confirmation on my 5 minutes time frame, but it didn't play out well. The market had to close, So I was like, you know what? Maybe I have to wait for mine. So that's what I did. Woke up and then boom, this gap. But anyways, what's my next project of now? So as you can see here, we have already shifted from uptrend to downtrend, right? So what am I anticipating? So this is on that already marked last week. And this is the supply zone that are gonna be waiting for the market to retrace. But besides that, there's also this zone that I'm anticipating here. So this zone that I'm anticipating for the market to retrace because it took out the liquidity here, as you can see. Took out the liquidity before the passive move, before breaking down. But what I'm really actually interested in, as you can see, using my concept of premium and discount area, what I'm really interested in, I need something to be uh about 50%. So this one is still valid for me. And there's also this zone here. There's also this zone. Yeah, so this one is also still valid to me. So overall, what I'll be anticipating, this will act as an inducement. This whole thing will act as a liquidity that I'll be expecting the market to take out before tapping into this one. Or in on Euro JPY, we had a market structure shift. We were in an impassive move, and then we had a retracement, and then a breakup up. So as you can see, three candles to the other direction. These are one of my rules that I've put in place to identify the clear market structure. If you want this video for market structure, I've made a video for market structure, and if you want it, I will link it on in the description below and also on the top right corner. Make sure to watch it after I finish watching this video. So here I'm making this swing low, swing high, a break below. Some of you may be wondering, like, we didn't have a candle close. Come on, like we had. I mean, that was a gap. So as you can see here, so what am I anticipating from this impassive move, like from this swing high, this swing low? I'm expecting to be looking for my POI or any supply zone that I can trade off. So as you can see here, when I mark this zone, right? This zone is value to me because it also took out the liquidity, as you can see here, before creating this impassive move to the downside, right? So I have to refine this zone on the. So here over back to the 2 hour time frame. So yeah, so that's what I'm anticipating on UJ. So on AUDJBY, what am I saying? It's the same thing, guys. This is our swing high, yeah, swing low, swing high, break of structure. Yes, and then this is our, yeah, so this is our supply zone that I'm waiting to trade off ahead of the 1 hour time frame to see if I have any refinement. So as you can see, I can refine this one like this before creating a strong push to the downside. So yeah, this is on. It's actually still valid to me. What am I anticipating on AUDJBY is for the market to retrace and target this zone. Even though we have a gap here, I already told you like the market tends to fill in the gaps. So maybe in the process of filling the gaps, it needs to tap in this zone. So I'm just anticipating what the market will do. And based off that, I'll be reacting what the market has done. Let's see another one. So this one, so yeah, as you can see, this one like had a big of structure. This like wasn't there initially. I had to make it. So here there was a break of structure. We have a market structure shift from uptrend. Now we have to believe in Now we're in the downtrend, which means I have to be looking for sales. This zone right here, as you can see from off this zone, check it. This is my supply zone, but it's too big, so I need to find it, and then I head over to the 1 hour time frame and look for the type of reframing that I have. As you can see, this one I have a clear one. Okay. So I head over back to the 2 hour time frame. But as for me, my strategy, I need the magnet to tap at least the 50% of this supply zone. That's when I'll be waiting to trade off the reaction or to scalp off this reaction in the 5 minutes time frame. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated over this week.